You don't need a high-paying job to start saving money. Even if you're flat broke, there are ways to build savings without feeling like you're suffering. Today, I'm going to show you 5 practical ways to save money as a broke student, starting right now. Welcome back to the channel where we break down finance for students without the boring lectures. Hit that like button if you want to stop feeling broke, and let's dive into these 5 saving hacks that actually work. When you're broke, saving feels impossible. But what if you could save without thinking about it? Use micro saving apps that round up your purchases or automatically stash small amounts. Even just 1 lira or 25 cents at a time adds up over months. You won't notice it's gone, but you will notice the results. One of the best ways to save? Stop spending on what doesn't matter. Try a no spend week or weekend. That means no coffee shop runs, no fast food, no impulse buys. It's just a few days, but you'll see where you waste money and you'll keep more of it. Why buy brand new when you can get it for half price? Textbooks, clothes, furniture, buy used whenever possible. Check local marketplaces, secondhand shops, student groups. You'll save huge without sacrificing quality. Ever wonder why your money disappears? It's usually the same triggers. You don't need to be a chef. A basic pasta or rice dish will save you hundreds over takeout. Boredom scrolling, online shopping stress, delivery food. Identify your personal traps and set tiny rules. Like, if I want to shop, I wait 24 hours before buying. You'll save a lot just by slowing down. Don't overcomplicate it. Write down the absolute minimum you need for rent, bills, and food. Everything else, that's your want money. When you know your real needs, you'll stop overspending without realizing it. Budgeting isn't about limits, it's about control. Feeling broke? You're not alone. But what if I told you that saving money, even as a student, is totally possible with a few smart hacks? In this video, I'll show you 10 ways to save money without sacrificing your life or sanity. Let's get into it. Between tuition, rent, books, and food, saving can feel impossible. But small wins add up, and these tips will help you start stacking cash even if you're starting at zero. If you don't know where your money's going, you can't save it. Use a free app like Notion, Google Sheets, or even a simple notebook. Even if it's just $50, having a tiny emergency fund can stop you from falling deeper when life happens. That gym membership? That subscription you forgot about? Cancel it. That's cash in your pocket every month. Flash that student ID everywhere, restaurants, software, public transport. You'd be surprised where it works. From textbooks to furniture, secondhand saves you serious money. And ask friends before buying new. Don't try to keep up with flashy spending. The quiet saver wins in the end. Skip the rideshare, walk, bike, or use student transport passes whenever you can. A little extra cash helps a lot. Try freelance gigs, tutoring, or selling old stuff online. Set your bank app to round up your spending or auto-save a tiny amount weekly. You won't even notice it. You don't need to be rich to save money. You just need to start. Which tip will you try first? Comment below. And remember, small wins lead to big freedom. Let's wrap up. 1. Automate tiny savings. 2. Try no spend challenges. 3. Buy used. 4. Watch your spending triggers. 5. Keep a simple budget. Even broke students can save. Start small. Just start. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.